Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Today we're taking a look at something special. Sorry, a cat just fell off a table over there. It's kind of funny. We're taking a look at something special. This is Bud Light Seltzer. So if you've never seen this before or seen the ridiculous advertisements on TV, this is Bud Light but seltzer. So that means it's not really Bud Light at all. It's actually a seltzer. So let's take a look at things here. All in all, it's going to be 5% of alcohol per volume, 100 calories, and under 1 gram of sugar, which is really good because you don't want a lot of sugar in this. And the flavors that we have here are black cherry, lemon lime, strawberry, and mango. I asked my friends who are seltzer connoisseurs, what should I try? I'm going to be trying strawberry here today. But just let you know, I've tried White Claw, I've tried Natty Light Seltzer, which was pretty bad. White Claw was pretty good. And I've had a number of other seltzers before seltzer was cool. I think there was one with a mermaid on it, which I find pretty good. But let's take a look and see how this is. I don't know if I'm going to try all of these today, but here is the black cherry seltzer. Next we have the lemon lime seltzer. We're going to be having the strawberry seltzer here right now tonight. And last but not least, we're going to be looking at mango. So if you want to take a look, Bud Light does give you all the nutrition information, so that is all going to be right here. Let's see what it says. Naturally flavored with other natural flavors. Now you know what natural flavoring means. That's not supernatural natural. That's just kind of a term that people use. So look into it before you take a look at this. All right, contains alcohol. Okay. No artificial flavors, 100 calories, less than 1 gram of sugar, 2 grams of carbs, and it's gluten-free. Of course it's gluten-free. And the ingredients here, if you want to take another closer look here: water, cold fermented cane sugar, natural flavors, cane sugar, citric acid, sodium citrate, and malted rice. So I believe that, now, please tell me if I'm right or wrong about this. Seltzers are malts. I tried my best to look all over White Claw, and I couldn't find out what kind of alcohol it was. And we were thinking, like, okay, it's alcohol, but what kind is it? I believe it's a malt. I just think that's what it is. Please educate me down in the comment section below if I'm incorrect, but I think it's a malt. So without further ado, light, simple strawberry. We're going to try this here. 5% alcohol, 12 ounces in this, and 1 serving per container. So let's see what this tastes like, because all in all, seltzers are refreshing. Okay, so my main thing is when I have a seltzer, I like them cold. So I just put this in the refrigerator. I got this from CVS. I walked home. It's not exactly warm or cold outside. It's 40 something. Put these in the refrigerator, make sure they're cold. These aren't like freezing refrigerator cold. I could have left them in there longer, but I guess it's kind of like, this is probably how you'll have it on a hot summer day, at this kind of a little bit cooler than room temperature. And with the first swig, let's have another one. It's strawberry E. Now what was really, really bad about the Natty Ice is it hit you with a flavor of what it wanted you to think of whatever the fruit was. And then it had this weird aftertaste. And I'm not sure if I'm tasting that little aftertaste with this. I have to take another little sip here. I'm getting a little bit of that aftertaste. Now, if you've ever had White Claw, you have very little of that aftertaste, except for, I think, my friends say that grapefruit is one to maybe avoid because it has an intense aftertaste like that. This one has a little bit of an aftertaste. I tell you what, I'm going to open up one more because I'm not going to go crazy. I'm not trying to, get blackout drunk on a 12-pack of these, which would be kind of funny. But let's see here. We have black cherry, we have lemon lime, and we have mango. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick here. I would say we've tried strawberry, so I'm not going to look at black cherry. This one I would imagine is going to be similar to it, even though black cherry in the past has been a pretty good choice. What I'm going to try here is I'm going to try mango. And I think the cat, hey, would you like to try? Is mango the one we should try here? Nope. Nope, you're not old enough. You're not old enough. Not today. All right, so we're going to try mango. Let's give it a try. It definitely tastes different. And yeah, it's exactly what I thought. These more, in my mind, I call them like tropical fruits. When you have a tropical fruit within the seltzer, it really dampens that aftertaste. I don't even know if it has an aftertaste, but I don't really taste it. So let's try that. Yeah, it tastes like the mango, and it kind of, that's it. I get that kind of like seltzer hit, I get the mango, and then that is it. I like this one. This one would maybe be my favorite out of the two that I've had. I'm gonna try strawberry one more time. And yeah, I'm not tasting the intense flavor afterwards after having this, but this is not my favorite. Even though strawberry in general is like a flavor that I like across the board, not my favorite, not a terrible one, but mango, I would say, is a good option. All right, so you know what? I would say on the level of White Claw being up here, I would have to slot Bud Light Seltzer, maybe about 3/4 of it. And then all the way at the bottom is going to be Natty Ice, or was it Natty Light Seltzer, which is going to be kind of down here at 1/4. Not really that good. Not something I would try again, unless I was forced to. But I'd say give it a try. It's cold right now. It's January. When it's warmer, I'm going to make another one of these videos just to kind of reaffirm how this is, because people are going to be getting this when it is the warmer months. That's why I release it now, just to get in your head, and it's going to go through. But honestly, this is just a play from the Budweiser company to get the name of Bud Light to associate the customer that Bud Light is not just light beer. It can be other things. And what honestly I believe that they're going to be doing eventually is they're going to be using maybe Bud Light as a branding for a CBD beverage. Because you know that CBD beverages are very popular in 2019, and then they kind of, they're not, I mean, it's 2020 now, everybody has CBD, it's not really a huge thing. I think now is the time when maybe the Coca-Cola brand will bring out a CBD beverage, and maybe not under the Coca-Cola name, but under their umbrella. But honestly, I think that if and when beer makers incorporate CBD, they're going to want to use a name that's kind of notable. And I honestly think that this is their first step to doing so. Because now they associate Bud Light with something else that is honestly not, it's not beer. It's not a light beer. It's seltzer. It's a malt. So here's to that. I'd like to see what goes on. I'd like to hear what you think. Have you tried Bud Light Seltzer? Let me know. Let everybody else know here. I eventually will be trying these out. So if you want to ask me in the comment section below, hey, how was it? I'll let you know how the lime was, and I'll let you know how the cherry was here. So I'm going to finish these off in my own time. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. You guys have a good night. Check it out. Bud Light Seltzer, 5% alcohol, less than a gram of sugar, and it's pretty good. All right, guys. Find me on Instagram at M8B9, and I will see you next time. Bye.